Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another paper pumpkin alternative video on my YouTube channel and blog. If you're new to my channel, I want to say hi. This video will share alternative projects to stretch your paper pumpkin supplies. If you don't know what paper pumpkin is, click the link in the description box below and check it out. So come along with me as I attempt to create out of the box. Well, hello cheeky monkeys. Here we are with the June 2024 paper pumpkin kit. This is called Life is Sweet. And while I'm showing you what's in the box, I will tell you I didn't get this box on time. Sadly, it was stuck somewhere and I had to call Stampin Up head office and they sent me another one. But I missed some of my deadlines and I apologize. So struggling to try to get this content out for you. I'm going to do three alternatives for you this month, and then after these three videos I am going to tuck into the Painted Petals July 2024 paper pumpkin kit. Hopefully I'll be able to share all that with you this week, so stay tuned. Normally I tell you what's going on in the kit, but you know, since it's a month late, you guys, and also to pay attention to those the extra stuff that comes in the kit. I was trying to order some of them because it was free shipping, and then there was a sale on for Stampin' Up the paper pumpkin things, and yeah, I tried to order it and I couldn't, so which I am upset about, but you know, they only do so much. Okay, so here's my first card. Now, I did have trouble. I don't know, I lost the footage somehow. I filmed this last Sunday, and then I did the Christmas in July, and I still have a couple more projects. Hopefully I'll get them out before the end of the month. Anyway, I filmed all this, and for whatever reason, the files were corrupt and I couldn't edit them. I'm telling you guys, I've been having some trouble. I've been having some troubles. Not only is it like 40 degrees where I live and it's sweaty, hot, and disgusting, and we're having, I think I call it hot winter, where everybody stays in their homes. Okay, so anyway, that's the reason why you'll see some of these things, you haven't seen me mask anything. So this was one of the leaf negative pieces from the kit, and I've used let me see here, I have used our masking paper, I can't remember what it's called, and isolated one of the leaves, and I'm just using my whatever the ink was. I think it was either Summer Splash. I will check here. It was Shy Shamrock, sorry. So the ink that came in the kit. So I am blending with the Shy Shamrock. It's very pretty color if it goes on softly. I find it kind of strong. Greens are not my favorite color, although we do have quite a bit of a shade of them. My least favorite, if you're curious to know, is Mossy Meadow, and everybody teases me about that, but I mean, I feel like it's not my favorite green. But here is a greeny blue, and it's called Pretty Peacock, or actually it's a really nice blue. Anyway, I just felt that it went really well, so I used that ink instead. Of course, you know, this is just an alternative, guys. If you have other inks, go right ahead, but you can see my alternative, I used a little bit of a different colorway. Yeah, I feel like sometimes the kits they need a little bit of zhuzhing, or I just don't want to stamp everything in the one color. Anyway, I also, like I said, I previously made these cards before, And then for whatever reason, my camera didn't want to share it with us or cooperate with me. So I've had to do what I've had to do. So I made it's pretty much the same card I made. I just had to make do. So if you see some of the little peaches that are a little rumpled, I've had to pull them from the card that I made. Anyway, you don't mind about that. Here is my first card. I moved that little peachy bum down, and here's a little peachy up top. So, and then I'm going to embellish it with the embellishment from the kit. And I think that's it. So here you go, you guys. I will see you in my card number 2 in a little bit. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.